Let's unbox the G4 Pro Performance Controller Grips by KIWI Design. Now before anything else, this product is certified made for Meta. Now what the made for Meta badge really means is that an accessory is authorized by Meta to meet their high quality standards, just to make sure the third-party companies are following high quality protocols to ensure Meta quality standards for these accessories. So this is the latest of the controller grips that KIWI Design offer. This thing has a semi-transparent ring which allows the signals to pass through for hand tracking, so your controllers are never losing tracking signal. It also has an upgraded knuckle strap with high quality sweat resistant breathable materials, which was not the case with their previous style. And more so, this thing has a window for a battery change, so you would never have to take these grips off. Now before we get into the box, you can get one for yourself from KIWI Design's website, linked down in the description. Let's get into the box. So here they have two tapes on either side of the box. Once you get through those, you can simply slide it out or not. Let's resist. Okay. All right. KIWI Design, very minimalistic. I always love KIWI Design's packaging. Before we go further into the video, I just want to take this time and say if you guys like watching my content, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me out a lot and motivates me to keep on doing this and making all sorts of content that helps you guys. And now let's continue with the video. Alright, controller grips, very nice. Let's put these to the side for now. A separator, and I think a user manual on I think how to get it on and put it onto the controllers. There's something else in the box right over here. Let's take a look. Oops. Okay, I'll tell you what these are. Let's put it back and close the box. Okay, so essentially what you need are the controller grips, of course, and the replacement battery cover right here, and this is what allows you to pop the battery out, and these are the replacement for these strips in case you rip them or do whatever. So we don't need these at the moment, so I'm just gonna put them to the side and put these to the side as well and get the Quest controllers in. Okay, so as you can see, these are absolutely brand new. I haven't even taken these strips out, so let's do that. First one, and let me show you how you open this. There's a little latch here. You wanna press it and it should just undo itself like so. Comes right off. You want to do the same for the second one. Just unlatch it and take the battery paper out, and you won't be needing these anymore. So going back in the box. For these, the other one, this will go right on like so. Take the battery out, put it on. It should click right into place. Okay, perfect fit. And you put the battery in here on top like so. Tuck it in and you put it inside the grip. Perfectly done. Let's do the same for the second one. And both your controllers are ready to go inside the grip. Okay, so once these are ready to go inside the grips, you take your grip Actually, I don't even need this. This is how you take it out. You just want to undo this whole thing again, and this thing should slide right off because, you know, there's no need for it. Once you have these grips, slide them back on. Perfect. And this is good to go. So I'm going to do the same for this one. Take it out. Actually, take the battery out first. Like so. Take it out. Okay, now it's ready to go inside these straps. So this should be pretty self-explanatory. You can just slide it in. Like so. So not too much pressure is needed. It should just slide right in place. Like so. And this is your door for battery changes. So you never have to take this controller out of its casing here. Okay, I'm really loving the entire texture and feel of this. So the controller already feels really premium with the material that they use and then the weight that it has, just the perfect amount of weight. But with this grip on, it just feels like something that's so much more premium. So I didn't expect it to be this good when I ordered it, I guess. The door right here to change the battery closes perfectly, and your strap. Okay, let's loosen this up. Make it perfect for your hand. Tighten it. Oh my god, like come on. This feels like something else. That's beautiful. I'll do the same for this one. Loosen the strap, put it around your hand. Now this material is absolutely beautiful. Like the Velcro straps that I've used in the past, they usually have a very rough feel to them, but this one doesn't, and I'm very impressed by it. You can really understand what the Made for Meta badge stands for. Okay, adjust it however you like, and there you have it. They both work. Now in case you drop them, well, they're not going anywhere. They're right on your hands, and when you're done, just take them out. There you are. If you guys thought this was helpful in any way, do please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to order these for yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.